If you've been dreaming about a new build in Hesperia, California, with 5 to 6 bedrooms, a pool, and a private casita, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the casita tour at the end, and trust me, you are not going to want to miss it. Hey friends, I'm Sheri Hill, your Southern California and High Desert Realtor, and welcome to Cascade Landing at Silverwood in Hesperia, California. Today, we're walking through Woodside's Horizon Plan 3, a 2-story home, approximately 2,807 square feet with 5 to 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and either a 2 or 3 car garage. If you choose the 3-car option, that third space is a tandem garage, and I'll show you exactly what that means a little later in this video. Woodside offers a few different exterior plans, from more traditional to a cleaner, modern look, so your home can match your style and still blend beautifully into the neighborhood. As we walk through the front door, you are greeted by this beautiful staircase and a cozy little bench or built-in seating area. The wood floors running through here are stunning. Right off the entry to the right, we have the first full bathroom downstairs. You'll see a nice vanity with sinks, a tub shower combo, and tile floors. Next to that is your first bedroom on the main level. Great size, tall ceilings, and a big window for natural light. Every bedroom gets double pane energy efficient windows as a standard feature, which is huge for comfort and utility bills in the high desert. Across from that bedroom, there's a linen closet. Tons of storage for towels, bedding, and all the extras. As we continue down the hall, the home opens up toward the kitchen and living room. But before we go there, let's check out this little area off to the side. Right here under the stairs is what I love calling the Harry Potter room, your under-stair storage closet. Great spot for holiday decor, luggage, or just hiding the stuff you don't want to look at every day. You'll also find here the garage door. The standard Horizon Plan 3 gives you a finished garage with drywall and basic lighting. Now let's walk into one of my favorite kitchens in the Silverwood community. This kitchen is huge, truly a chef's kitchen. You have tons of counter space, massive island, and so many cabinets. It almost feels like a custom home. Let's step into the chef's pantry. This space is incredible. You've got its own countertop where you can prep, bake, stash your small appliances, or even set up a coffee bar. The shelving and extra cabinetry you see here are often upgrades, but the walk-in pantry itself is part of the floor plan, which is amazing for big families or serious cooks. Back in the main kitchen, notice how there is plenty of cabinet space, including these gorgeous clear or the glass front upper cabinets. Those are definitely more of an upgrade option, but they give you a great idea how you can showcase pretty dishes or decor. And the standard home here at Cascade Landing Woodside typically includes maple cabinets with 36-inch uppers, granite countertops with a 6-inch backsplash, and a full height splash behind the range. A deep stainless steel undermount sink with a Delta pull-down faucet, and a GE stainless steel appliance package, the range, dishwasher, and microwave. From there, you can upgrade to things like the quartz countertops, full height backsplash throughout, glass cabinets, and designer hardware at the Inspiration Gallery, where you will meet one-on-one with the designer to personalize everything. Stepping into the living room, you can see how open and connected this whole main floor is. Floating shelves on either side of the fireplace, and the fireplace itself are more likely upgrades in the model, but you can have that inspiration for what you want to do with this wall. And a quick reminder, when you tour model homes like this, bring your own representation. I cannot stress this enough. The people in the office are wonderful, but they work for the builder. You want someone who works for you, who can help explain the contract, upgrades, and incentives. And that's where I come in. Call me and I will go with you. Now, I know you're already peeking out in that backyard. I can see you. This particular model has an incredible outdoor setup, a covered patio, beautiful in-ground pool, and outdoor entertaining area, and access to the tandem garage that opens all the way through. All of that is coming up towards the end of the video, along with the Casita. So stick around because there is a lot of inspiration back there for anyone who loves to host or just needs multi-gen space. But before we head outside, let's go upstairs and check out the second level. Heading up these hardwood stairs, you could really appreciate the iron railing. I love how clean and open this looks. Again, wood trends and the iron railings are usually in that upgraded category, but they add so much style. At the top of the stairs, you're greeted by another living space, kind of like a loft or a bonus room. Check out the setup. You could make it a game room, a medium room, a homework room, or even just a second family room. It's a great flexible space so everyone isn't just piled into the same couch downstairs. Just off the loft, we have the full bathroom upstairs. I really like how the vanity with the double sinks is separate from the shower and the toilet room. That means one person can be brushing their teeth or doing their hair while someone else is showering. If you got multiple kids, you know how clutch that is. You also got a linen closet upstairs, perfect for towels and bedding, so you're not running up and down the stairs. Then we step into another upstairs bedroom. Great size, tall ceilings, and those double pane windows, again, for all the natural lighting and energy efficiency. A quick upgraded tip, things like the recessed lighting, ceiling fans, and some of the decorative features you see in the bedrooms are often options you can add while they're building. Always ask what the basic lighting package includes versus what's considered as an upgrade. Across the hall, we have another bedroom, again with really nice natural light and a good closet. I'm loving the soft green on these walls, super calming. Nearby, you'll notice a room staged as an office. It still makes an amazing office, homework room, or a hobby space. Continuing, we check out the laundry room. It's a great size with the sink and upper cabinets shown here in the model. The tile flooring in the laundry is standard, but the sink and cabinetry are usually upgrades. And they are worth it if you're asking me, because we all like to be organized in the laundry space. Right outside the laundry, you have a nice little entry space that is leading into the primary bedroom, which makes it feel a bit more private and tucked away from the rest of the upstairs. Now let's head into the primary suite. This room is such a beautiful space. It has a great size, high ceilings, and lots of natural light from multiple windows. The recessed lighting keeps it bright at night, and again, the flooring you see may be an upgrade from the standard carpet, but it gives you ideas of what you can do. The primary bathroom is gorgeous. You got a large shower with tile going all the way up to the ceiling, which not only looks high-end, but it's also great for more moisture and easy cleaning. There's additional storage cabinetry shown here. Things like that are often upgrade options, so just be mindful as you are considering your budget. The walk-in closet is huge, and yes, it even has its own window for natural lighting. I've always wondered why more closets don't do this, especially the big ones. It makes a huge difference. You also get a private toilet room with its own window, which is amazing for airflow and not just relying on the fan. And of course, you've got the double sinks. I love how they're kind of separate on opposite sides here. The floating shelves and the decorative touches you see around the bathtub are inspiration pieces you can replicate, either through upgrades or after you move in. So that's the upstairs. Lots of space, lots of flexibility for family, guest, work from home, and storage. So now if you're ready, let's head back downstairs and check out one of my favorite parts of this home, the backyard and casita. Stepping out into the backyard, this is where the Horizon Plan 3 model really shines. You've got a big covered patio, perfect for lounging in the shade or setting up an outdoor dining table. The in-ground pool, absolutely gorgeous. This, of course, is an upgrade, but it's a perfect example of what you can create back here if you love to entertain or just enjoy those hot Hesperia summers in your own yard. There's also a fantastic outdoor entertaining setup, landscaping, hardscape, and a built-in barbecue. Again, all of this is model level upgrade territory, but it gives you so many ideas of how you can turn your lot into an outdoor oasis. Oh, and here you can see the tandem garage in action. A tandem garage means the parking space goes straight through, so you can park one car behind another or use part of it as a workshop, home gym, or just extra storage. And in this case, it even offers access that opens toward the backyard. It's super flexible and a big plus if you have toys, tools, or just extra vehicles. And now the part I know a lot of you have been waiting for, the Casita. This particular Horizon Plan 3 model is one of the few with a casita that is already built out. It is such a game changer for multi-generational living. As we head inside, you'll notice it has its own separate entrance, and inside you get the washer and dryer hookups, a compact kitchenette with storage and counter space, its own multi-split or air unit for separate temperature control, and a Murphy bed that folds up so you can use the space as a living area during the day and a bedroom at night. There is also a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, a really good size for a casita. This setup is perfect for a more independent child or a parent you're caring for, or if you just want potential rental income in the future. Lots of possibilities here, and it's one of the reasons this plan is so attractive for those big families or multiple generations under one roof. So if you love to entertain, this checks so many boxes. Personally, the only thing I would add is a jacuzzi because priorities. My job is to help you understand what's included, what's optional, and what makes sense for your budget and lifestyle. So if you're curious about new construction in Hesperia, the high desert, or anywhere in Southern California, or if you're wondering how to even get started, I am here to help you with that, whether you're ready now or just planning for the future. I'm Sheri Hill, your high desert realtor. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you are thinking about buying or selling in the future, I would love to sit down and have a one-on-one conversation with you so we can figure out your goals together. Call or text me, email me. In the description, you can find all my information on how to get a hold of me, and we will figure out what the right next step is for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.